Hi guys, welcome to Sunray FX. My name is Leah Sunray. Today I want to show you one of my best strategy that I've been using for some years now. I think it's the right time for you guys to benefit from it. Before we go, subscribe to my channel to get the next video. Thank you. Welcome to Sunray FX. So I want to show you the introduction to 2GR strategy. How do I call it 2GR? It is a combination of two green candles, and then two red candles. So I just combine the two together, then I put the GR. So that's why I name it 2GR. Get it? Yes. So let's go to the strategy. So today the asset we are about to trade is GJ, and then on GJ this is 4 hours. Before we go, you can look for the strategy on higher time frame, and the higher the time frame, the better the signal. So in this case, I want to use it on 4 hours. You can use it on daily, weekly, monthly. If you are a swing trader, if you are a day trader, you can use it on 1 hour, 30 minutes, and then if you are on a scalper, you can use it also on 5 minutes. But the whole idea is to get the strategy and then know how to trade it. You get the strategy and then know how to trade it. So I will use different assets to do the example for you, and then you can trace it on any time frame, any assets, gold, forex, indices, cryptos, just name it. Forex, indices, cryptos, just name it. So that's about that. So yeah, let's go right down into the business. Let's go right down. So how to spot your signal and then how to trade it. So today's introduction video, I just want to tell you how to see your signal, and then the next video I'm going to teach you how you can trade it. So to do this, all you have to do is this is it. So this is a fresh naked chart. So so before you start, the first thing you need to do is to go to moving average, then add 8 moving average exponential to your chart. So 8 moving average exponential, just add it to your chart, you are done. 8 moving average exponential, add to your chart, you are done. So what you need to do is to look for the candles that close above 8 moving average to buy, and that one will be 2 green, and then you look for 2 red candles that close below 8 moving average for sell. Right? To spot this thing, all you need to do is to look for the signal candle. So the first red candle that close below 8 moving average is called signal candle, and then the second consecutive candle that close below 8 moving average is called confirmation candle. There must not be any green candle between them. That is number one. There must not be any candle between them, and then after each green candle you can start counting again to see another signal. After any green candle, let's say you've gotten into the trade and then you saw a green candle, so that's indication that you're about to add to your position, or if you are not in the trade before, it's another time for you to get into the trade. So after this one, you saw this green candle, then you start counting again. It's another signal candle, but this is no confirmation because this one does not close below the red candle, so you stop counting. So you start counting again after you saw another red candle. So I saw this red candle, that's another signal candle, and this particular one is the confirmation candle. So I can say that this is another signal for me. Can you see it? So after seeing another green candle, you can start counting again, and then I saw this green candle right here. So that one is qualified for me, so I can start looking for another way to get into the trade. And don't forget, we are still in the same trend. So, and this is the third time I'm trying to look for opportunity to sell. That is how this strategy is cool. So this one you can start. This is a signal candle, it's a confirmation candle. So on this trend alone, I saw how many trade? This 1, 2, 3. So just on this trade alone, I saw almost 3 signal to trade, and then almost 3 signal to trade. And you can see, so when you come back to previous support or something, when you get your first 3 signal within this space, you get third signal, 3 different signals within this trade, and then you write them down to about 1:2 or 1:3. It is not a bad idea of what to trade. So that is that on the buy side. So let's look on the sell side. Let's look for the same strategy on the buy side. So let's say I wanted to buy this asset. This is Great Britain pounds Japanese yen, and then all I need to look for is to look for 2 green candles that close above this 8 moving average. So this particular candle close above 8 moving average. but the next one does not close above 8 moving average, this is no trade. So the two green candle has to be one after the other. It has to be two consecutive green candles. So it cannot be green and red candle. It's not qualified to trade. So that's that about that. So this one also close above 8 moving average, but of course this one does not close above it. So this one also is no trade. Right? That one also is no trade. So you need to look for the two green candles that close above 8 moving average. So in that case, I saw this green candle close above 8 moving average, and then that's your signal candle. But it's not signal candle until you see another green candle that close above it. So this particular candle close above it, so this one is signal candle, and of course this one is a confirmation candles. So with that, this one is signal candle and this one is confirmation candle, and I can say that this is my first signal for today. This is my first signal for today. This is first signal. So don't forget, we are trading on 4 hours time frame, and from this line to this line is a weekly chart. So this is my first signal for the week. And then after seeing that, all you need to start looking for is red candle. And then if you see red candle, so that gives you another opportunity to add to your position if you are already in this trade, or to get in afresh if you are not in the trade before. So after seeing this red candle, I started counting again, and this is my signal candle, and the next candle close above it, this is my confirmation candle. So I can see that this is another buy opportunity for me. So, and then buy opportunity for me, I saw this red candle, so this is a sell opportunity for me. But when I'm telling you how to trade it, I will tell you why you should not get into this one. And even if you get into this one, you see an opposing signal right after that. So this is signal candle and this is a confirmation candle, and I say you can get in right here. So that's that about that. So should we look into one or more assets before we call it a day for today? Let's look into one or more assets. Let's go to gold. This is gold. So all you need to do is to add 8 moving average to your chart. So once you add 8 moving average to your chart, so this week you can see how gold play out with this strategy. You can see how gold play out with this strategy this week. So all you need to do is add 8 moving average to your chart, and then you start looking for the first green candle. So the first, okay, let's start from last week and see how market reacts to date. So let's start from here. So we saw this candle as a signal candle, and then we saw this one as a confirmation candle. So that one makes this one to be my signal for sell. So that's all about that. So I can go ahead and look for another one. So this one is a signal for me to buy, and of course this one is for me a signal to sell, signal to sell, signal to sell, signal to sell. Can you see it? So that's how awesome the strategy is. 6 hours of this week, that's on Monday, market did not sell, and then with the strategy, you are not in the market. If you are not a swing trader, you already closed all your position for last week, and then this week you are looking for sell opportunity or buy opportunity, and then you are looking solely based on your strategy. So how do you do it? The first candle close above 8 moving average, so you are looking to buy. This time this one will be your signal candle if you are buying, and then the next candle close red, so this is no trade for you. You haven't seen anything yet. This is no trade for you. And then you saw 2 red candle, but the both are above 8 moving average, so it's still no trade for you, because the 2 red candle needs to be below 8 moving average before you can sell. Okay, you saw green candle here, right here, and then the next candle close red, so it is also no trade for you. So you are thinking, should I go buy or should I go sell, or you are thinking different things. But according to this strategy, you are not in the trade. So the whole Monday you are not in the trade. If you are trading on 4 hours, then you see this green candle and the next one is red candle, see no trade for you, no trade for you. And then this thing happened on Tuesday. You saw a red candle, and then of course you see another red candle. So this one qualifies you as a signal for you to start selling for the week, right? And then after that one, the market dropped and you saw this green candle, and then after each green candle you can start looking for another way to add to your position. And then you saw this red candle as a signal candle, and then you saw this one as a confirmation candle, and this another signal for you to sell, boom. So and then after this one you saw this green candle. So and I told you after each green candle you can start counting your 1 2 again, and I count this candle as my signal candle, and this one also as my confirmation candle, and I can say that this one also is my sell opportunity on gold. So this week I saw 1 to just three sell opportunity on gold, and that one can give me how many pips? This one can give me how many pips? From here to here, this is about 500 pips, 534 pips. From here to here, 290 pips, and then of course from here to here, about one something. So on gold this week I got about 1000 pips by using this strategy. So in my next video I'll teach you how to trade this particular strategy. So watch out for my next video, how to trade 2GR. Thank you.